Hello there, my friends. My name is Vladimir and I welcome you to Russian Traders channel.
Russian trader, feel his Russian style.
But before we move on straight to the business, let me quickly remind you to leave your thumbs up and to make sure you are subscribed, because you definitely don't want to miss my future videos, because this one's gonna be really hot. Right now, here, we are opening a buy trade with our initial amount. What's happening over here on the graph? Let me quickly explain you. Right now we're gone into the oversold zone over here, and we expect a rebound up right now. So as we can see from the bottom of the candlesticks, the buyer doesn't let us go lower. No way, no way. We are waiting for an upward rebound at the moment. So this one is pretty clear, pretty obvious situation right now. Here the buyer definitely won't go us any lower. We just need to wait, to be patient a bit. So yeah, let's just wait until the trade will be closed. Great, the first one trade is closed, plus 45 bucks, not bad, not bad. And we are opening a sell trade right now. So here basically what I can say, very interesting situation, not quite obvious as the previous one. Right now we are in an oversold zone already, the first thing, and we expect a breakdown of the support zone down right now. So here we have very strong support zone, but if you take a look at what was happening before, I mean 956 or somewhere at this period, you will see that the price has already tried to test this level. Okay, we already came to this level right now, then we rebounced, and then we are on this level again. So this level is gonna be broke down right now. So there is no reaction of the buyer over here. Basically that is one of the main reasons why we are waiting for the option to go down right now over here. So yeah, the price is still fluctuating, but that's okay. I'm always telling you guys, no worries about it, because this is high volatility market. Okay, high volatility markets, the price is always fluctuating. Yeah, great, we got our second trade closed, 86 bucks. So here we're opening a buy trade right now. The thing is that the instrument is oversold and going up right now. Okay, and there is a reaction of buyers, definitely, and we are waiting for a breakdown here. We are waiting for a breakdown of the lines and the instrument going higher. So right now it's pretty obvious growing up, rising trend here. No other indicators telling us that the price can go any lower. So basically, yeah, we are waiting for another one raise of the price. And here basically what is happening right now on the market, you already see this first green candle appearing. Yeah, pretty good. The buyer definitely has much more power over here. So yeah, we got the first candle over here, pretty obvious trend, guys. You should, I'm always telling you, please keep in mind this kind of trades, this kind of situations. Write them down if you want, because they definitely will help you in the future when you face another one such kind of situations. You will know what to do. And we got another trade closed, $65. Yeah, very good, very good. If you lack of information about indicators, or if you need even signals to trade, you will find all this stuff absolutely free under this video. Hit the link to my Telegram channel, there you will find all the info. Here we opened already the buy trade right now, and basically what's happening over here. Okay, we have a very strong oversold zone over here, and we are waiting for a bounce up right now. So yeah, that's what I can already tell. You see this very first green candle appearing right now, very strong buyers over here right now, and yeah, we are waiting for bounce up. That's basically what's happening, and there is a green candle that is already formed. So we are trying the option up right now. Very obvious, another one, obvious and clear situation, guys. So yeah, once again, all the signals and all the information you will find in my Telegram channel absolutely free. So at least you should take a look, give it a try, because it is definitely helpful, especially if you guys are just a beginner. Okay, and yeah, so here we have another one, red candle or green candle. So you know, it's always fluctuating, that's okay. Yeah, trade closed, very good. We're opening a buy trade right now with our amount of 319 bucks. Why? Here from the very beginning you can already tell that this is a growing trend. You see, right now we're in a highly growing trend. Meanwhile, if you take a look at the Williams indicator, you will also see this green line growing up, which is also telling us in combination that right now we're in a growing trend right now. So there is a push to the resistance level over here. What's important to notice, of 1.45520. You see, right, this level. Okay, so we expect further growth with consolidation. So the option is basically up, and all we need to do is to wait a bit. Very abnormal here division of candles. I mean, like normal but very strong buyers over here. You see, we are growing immensely. Like, yeah, the trade is closed with more than $400. That's pretty good. Right now we're opening a sell trade over here, moving out to the overbought zone to the downside, basically. And yeah, we broke through these downward moving lines actually, which is a very strong indicator. So there is a reserve on the oscillator. Okay, so yeah, as you can see already, we have this very strong first candle appeared already. So we have very strong sellers right now here on the market, and basically it was very the right moment we entered this one trend right now. I'm always telling you guys, one of the golden rules of a trader is to pick the right moment to enter with the trade. You cannot just open the random graph and decide, right, up or down. No, it doesn't work this way. You should be more conscious. You should take into considerations all these indicators I'm always telling you about, guys. So yeah, these indicators and the analysis of the graph is primarily your tools on the way to success, so don't neglect them. $1,100 in less than 1 minute. How do you like it? Here, very interesting situation, guys. What do we see? The buyer is gone right now, so we have not gone above the resistance lines, and we see red candles over here. I mean, their appearance of red candles. So here we have option down on breakout at the moment. Okay, so another one pretty obvious situation, like from the book, you know. So guys, also mark these kind of situations for you to know how to act with them in the future. Okay, so yeah, another one red candle appearing over here right now. Pretty obvious, pretty clear situation. Yeah, and you will find all these, not all this, but many models of the market and stuff in my Telegram channel. I already, done it for you. I already collected all of them, described and stuff. So make sure you definitely go and hit the link below. Right now, yeah, we got another one trade closed. Pretty good, more than $2,000. How do you like it? 2162. We're opening a sell trade over here. Why? I will explain. So here we approach to the resistance zone at 1.45650. You see, right? So we approach to this resistance zone. It's very strong resistance level, and I'm always telling you guys, keep in mind this resistance and support levels, because they may play a bad joke with you. So here we reach this level, and we have rebounded from the strong support level of 1.45500. All right, and we expect a move down right now. So on a rest of the average, on a retest of the averages at least. Okay, so yeah, once we reach this strong level, the price may, in most cases, it may rebound, because the price need to test this kind of level. Once it's very strong, the price may come to it, then rebound, then come back to it, and this may happen actually several times. So yeah. Yeah, we have another one red candle appearing over here, and we got the trade closed. Great. Here we are opening a buy trade right now. Why? Here, what do we have? What do we have over here? The uptrend is starting, okay, and we broke the middle line up. We already broke it up, and Williams is not overbought yet. If you take a look at the Williams, it is right now at minus 25 or somewhere, minus 30, I guess. So it is not overbought yet. That's what actually it means, and therefore we expect more growth right now. So we have a tendency to grow, and we have the place yet. So at least to the local maximum of 90, I guess 90.78 0.00, something like that. So yeah, basically we're not overbought yet, and pretty clear and obvious upgoing trend here. So both these indicators at least are telling us that we're picked another one, a cool moment over here, and we will have this trade definitely closed with plus profits. Okay, yeah, first candle we're done, we have another one candle appearing over here. Yeah, trade closed, pretty good. Right now I'm opened sell trade over here because here is a downtrend started already, and we picked the very right moment over here right now. We break the 5 MA and go down already, so the oscillator is in the overbought zone already as well. So there is a seller, a very strong seller here, and the option is down at the moment. So let this not fear you that the price is still fluctuating right now. I'm always telling you guys, this is high volatility markets, and that's quite normal behavior of the price. Here I guess we will have another one trade closed with plus profits. Let us see, let us be patient. The main thing over here is no panic and to play with your mind cool. Okay, so yeah, we're still waiting. Great, yeah, it's great. We're done. 7,000, not bad guys. Okay, this was Vladimir and Russian Traders channel. Guys, make sure you take a look at what's happening over there in my Telegram channel. Make sure you hit the link below down this video. Enjoy the information, use it mindfully, and yeah, see you in the next video.